steel fabrication. One group that has carved a niche of its own is Al Zamilsteel in Saudi Arabia. With over 73 years of varied business experience, the group commands a solid position in terms of versatility, reliability, professional expertise, and top-notch quality products. With services not only in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the GCC, but throughout the world. The group has over 7,000 employees all over the world and consists of over 38 major industrial and commercial establishments with diversified deep interests in steel fabrication, air conditioners, glass, petrochemicals, plastics, industrial coatings, food processing, and travel. Zamilsteel Industries. This company has emerged successfully, facing stiff competition from all over the Middle East. With over 25 years of experience, the company started as a joint venture with Seoul of the United States and eventually became a 100% Saudi-owned company in 1982. In 1998, Zamilsteel and two other associate companies, Zamil Air Conditioners and Zamil Glass, were merged to form a closed joint stock company under one name, Zamil Industrial Investment Company, also known as ZIIC. ZIIC consistently adopts new technologies and latest methods of management to succeed in these challenging times. As a part of this process, ZIIC has re-engineered its business processes in order to achieve seamless integration and alignment of strategic goals. All aspects of ZIIC's business, right from procurement to shipment, are monitored and controlled by the Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, software system. Zamilsteel has three business units. Pre-Engineered Buildings Division. This unit was established in 1977. It has a global network of over 50 area offices all over the world and has fabrication plants in Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Vietnam. Structural Steel Division. Started in 1983, this unit has grown today as one of the finest steel fabricating plants in the Middle East. It enjoys a wide reputation of fabricating steel, over 3,500 metric tons a month. Tower and Galvanizing Division. T&G has become one of the world leaders in the tower industry. The plant produces galvanized steel towers for electrical transmission projects and various other specialized lattice steel structures. Zamilsteel Structural Steel Division. The Zamilsteel Structural Steel Division, as the leading structural steel fabricator in the Middle East, offers its expertise in the fabrication of structural steel and plate works for various industrial and commercial applications. For over 2 decades, the plant is supplying fabricated structural steel to build structures as small as retail showrooms to giant structures like the power and desalination plants, petrochemical and gas plants, oil refineries, fertilizer plants, high-rise buildings, as well as other industrial and commercial complexes. The client base of Zamil Structural Steel Division includes companies of international repute, such as JGC, Technique, Snap Projecti, Bechtel, Parsons, Fluor Daniel, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Toyota, and many more. With the state-of-the-art CNC machinery and fabrication and the latest design and detailing software and engineering, Zamil Structural Steel Division can produce over 42,000 metric tons per annum. Constantly upgrading to the latest technology is only a part of the success story at Zamilsteel. To maintain the competitive edge, Zamilsteel employs the right people too. Zamil Structural Steel employs highly professional and qualified personnel at every stage. Zamilsteel Structural Steel Division specializes in structural steel buildings, equipment support structures, process structures, pipe racks, air and gas ducting, stacks and chimneys, and miscellaneous steel. The internal workflow at ZAML Structural Steel follows a systematic flowchart with controls and check procedures at every stage to ensure top quality in every product that is fabricated. The highly talented sales team identifies the customer's unique requirements and needs. Keeping customer satisfaction is the central focus. Sales team provides quotations matching to the precise specifications of the customers, in coordination with skilled professionals in engineering and estimation. Once a project is awarded to ZAML Steel, the project management team takes over the project. This means complete peace of mind to the customer. The project management team keeps track of every piece of steel during the project's execution. The base schedules defining all the milestones and activities are prepared, considering the size and complexity of each project. An exclusively assigned project engineer remains the customer's single point of contact, who in turn integrates and coordinates all the technical and commercial elements of each project, both internally within ZAML Steel departments as well as with the customer. The project engineer proactively monitors and controls the progress of the project. Any potential weak areas that may affect the project's progress are quickly identified, and timely solutions are recommended to the customer before they turn out as problems. The latest project management software linked to the ERP system provides a helping hand in assessing information on key areas instantly at the press of a button. Once the drawings are received from the customer, the engineering department meticulously analyzes the customer's requirements and prepares the design, shop drawings, and the bill of material. The latest design and detailing software are utilized for accurate results. The engineering department is staffed with highly professional and qualified structural engineers and detailers who are continuously trained in the latest software versions. The engineering department can produce design and drawings following the latest editions of international standards: AISC, AWS, BS, DIN, and JIS. Once the detailed shop drawings are approved by the customer, the details are directly transferred to the CNC machines. This exercise not only ensures accuracy in the end product, but also saves time by avoiding duplication of work in the fabrication shop. The ZAML Structural Steel Manufacturing Department functions with a sole slogan: we are the leading edge of technology, and if there's a better way, we'll find it. This is substantiated by the true application of the state-of-the-art CNC machines and equipment. The vigorous automation in ZAML Structural Steel Manufacturing has paved the way to produce a quality product at a minimum possible cost. The advantage so achieved is passed on to the customer by offering competitive prices. Welders, certified by the American Welding Society, AWS, are employed in order to ensure highest standards in fabrication. One department that is the lifeblood of ZAML Steel, that pumps its prime strength throughout the fabrication process, is the Quality Control and Quality Assurance Department. Yellow marking in each piece of fabricated steel means rigorous and stringent quality check in each piece that has already gone into it. Quality control and assurance personnel are highly talented and qualified to the international quality standards of AWS, ASNT, NACE, and CSWIP. ZAML Steel Structural Steel Division has successfully upgraded its quality systems to ISO 9001-2000 certification. However, in continuation of seeking the highest possible certification, it has commenced the process to attain ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 certifications, which will result in the improvement of process efficiencies, safety of workforce, and response to the community. Zamilsteel achieved the distinction of being the first and only company in the Middle East and Saudi Arabia to be certified by the American Institute of Steel Construction, AISC. One important aspect of delivering on time to the customer is never overlooked at any stage in Zamilsteel. Starting from the raw material order to the final shipment of the product, all the activities are well planned to meet the deadlines given by the customer. Finished products are checked, sorted, and stored by truck numbers and are always traceable utilizing the tracking system developed by Zamilsteel. Zamilsteel Transportation Specialist will ensure that our products are delivered to their destination safely and on time. Zamil's Structural Steel Division offers the supply, fabrication, and delivery of quality products on time, at a competitive price, to the customer's precise specification, anywhere. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of our business. With this motto, Zamil's Structural Steel Division offers the erection as an option to the customer. Choosing Zamilsteel for erection means considerable savings on erection time, saving on claims by an outside erector, on delivery issues and mismatches. Erection is carried out by Zamilsteel or by qualified and professional erectors who will work under the direct management and supervision of Zamilsteel. Structural steel has become a very vital element for today's construction, and the demand for structural steel is increasing day by day. In order to accommodate the market demand of structural steel and other related products, Structural Steel Division is currently undertaking a major expansion in an additional area of over 100,000 square meters. The Business Development Department is relentlessly working to develop new products related to structural steel. The current focus remains on process products, such as pressure vessels, heat exchangers, storage tanks. Zamil's Structural Steel Division holds the certification from the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, which authorizes design and fabrication of pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and boilers. Zamil's Structural Steel Division, as a premier structural steel fabricator, is exporting its products to many countries in Europe, Africa, and Asia. With cutting-edge technology on one hand and the dedicated professionals on the other, Zamilsteel has built solid trust over many years. With commitment as solid as steel, Zamilsteel continues to provide quality steel fabrication to customers all around the world. It's no wonder all the shareholders, suppliers, erectors, and most important, our customers feel, acknowledge, and reconfirm that Zamilsteel is a pleasure to do business with.